Hey guys, so if you're looking for some alternative to Wallpaper engine, the first one, very popular one, is called Lively Wallpaper. So this is the first one that you can actually like check out. Maybe you kind of like it even. And it's like, I don't think it's like that great comparing to the Wallpaper engine, but still it could be like similar thing. Now, when we're gonna dive even further, is called another one like Screenplay. This is another one that you can also check out. So Screenplay is open source live wallpaper app for Windows and OS X. So this is another one that you can like check out. Maybe you will like it too, and it looks great. Also Sucrose wallpaper engine. This is another one that you can check out for yourself, and maybe you will like it. So you are gonna have like plenty of wallpapers and stuff. And then also the Win Dynamic Desktop. So that's like another one also. I mean, it's kind of like not that insane, but still can do the work. So thank you very much for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.